are the expired rice. Very terrible smell. Oh God, that is smelling terrible. Where my nose mask?
Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel KNG TV for another celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way they stop for this channel or you come across my YouTube video, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. May God bless you as you set into the building. So my country people, the matter when me bring on top of our table like this is supposed to touch every human being. Now for tell every month away they go out there for go buy groceries, go buy rice, go buy things we go come bring them back home to cook for her family. Today very careful because see Wetin people take they sell for others to eat expired rice, as in rice where it don't expire, it don't rotten. My people, I see the matter take pain me a lot. And this one now, one of the people go come talk say the government is a problem, the government is a problem, whereas they are citizens say their hands take the inside. My people, I go leave una the video make una watch by una self. But before that, if you dey here you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that red subscribe button, turning on your post notifications so that whenever I upload a video you'll be amongst the first to be notified. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, write in the comment section what you think about the video, share with friends and family, let them know what is happening. I'll see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
It's evident already now. And then
they have to arrest the owner of this place.
Come now, come.
They have to arrest the owner of this place.
Who is the owner of the place? It's your place. So who gave you?
Came and said that the rice, I don't want to be on camera without having without being video. I think if I'm going to give information, I should be.
Okay, fine. I don't have a problem with that.
Nobody should.
Oh yeah, tell me.
You have a question, you have it without video.
What happened?
Man, please,
I'm not recording you again.
I know my rights. Nobody should video me.
Stop
Okay, guys, if you're watching this video, this is expired rice brought in from wherever we don't know yet. We're only here with the Commissioner of Health and the police who are yet to make arrests. We're trying to salvage this rice to sell back into the market, and this is how they've been working on it. You can see it's already repackaged, rebagged, and taken.
Please. Who said he has the contract?
Do your work.
It's not matter of do your work. Who said he has the contract?
I'm telling you, do your work. Shut up, man. Who are you? Go down here.
So you can see these are the rice. They are all expired. They are rotten. You can see. Look at it from this bag. It was brought here. These guys have been working from day and night.
Go inside here.
You can see this is the bag ready to be sold.
Show me with you.
No, we are trying to help him, but he doesn't understand.
Don't worry.
Can catch her.
He's speaking English language. This is finished. This is how it's finished. Now let me take you guys back to the rice proper of house pots. This is. Sorry. And that is the finished product on the ground. That's how they are managing it on the ground.
That's the wastage.
You have any idea where this rice is brought from?
God,
No, where it's brought from?
no.
Do you know who has this contract?
I think the guy is in your vehicle now. He's in your van there.
Okay.
The one with the cap.
Climb, na bad rice. Climb.
Climb.
Climb on top, na bad rice.
Can you bring this is what comes out. This is what comes out. This is the kind of rice they are trying to repackage for human beings to eat, to polish it. Even the polished one is not.
Even the polished one is still
it is not healthy at all.
Very close.
This is what people are.
Hello?
They are packaging for people, repackaging for people to eat.
Hello, ma.
Then very soon they'll say some people are sick. Benue already has too many issues. We cannot afford to have a health crisis on our hands with the security crisis we have on ground. And it's obvious that people are trying to make profits out of people's lives. And this is what the civil society will stand against. We'll keep doing our work until these miscreants are appeased.
No, dude. No,
I know my rights. I know my rights.
And this is the fourth to fifth truck they are polishing.
Una be mothers. Person dey do this kind thing here. Una no fit tell us say this thing no good. What una dey do like that? Una how you go say you no know? No tell me that kind thing.
if you do that, I'm not place to show you for your place. Police not going to employ you.
How you go say you no know? How you go say you no know? Yes, this right here, they go give people to chop.
This one, when they do it with this one, I own at the same time.
Then una say una no know. I say una no know.
I see video that one.
I've done. He has done it. Yeah.
Well, I know it was. This thing no good, mama. No, they go this one, I won't spoil your market. Because they go say this one cheaper, they don't go give buy this one already. Now we see what we talk about. Who gave this place? Go to Samo there. Now small people you take.
Guys, you can see.
What do you concern there?
Meanwhile, the rice are still. This is the ones that have not been offloaded yet to repackage. These ones are expired as well. But look at the bag. You see, it's very dark. They will offload them.
Full of
Tear the leathers. You can see where the leathers are torn. Look at the bags.
This is not the first
Look at the
truck,
bags.
not the second truck.
Look at the bags. No, they will tear it off.
And this is not the first truck.
This is not the first truck.
The first one, they've done others.
They have
They've done other trucks. They were working
worked overnight.
overnight on Sunday.
The one they posted before. Where did they
Have we seen the owner of the?
He's there.
He will tell us more. He will tell us more.
But when you opened the rice, you saw that the rice was bad. And what did you do? I know, but you saw that the rice was beyond human consumption. It was about business for you, right? You shouldn't have accepted it. So why did you?
What of the truck?
No, the truck, some police will be here.
Okay.
We go and bring road safety, come and tow the vehicle, the police station.
Okay, we are told that one of these guys or the owner of this truck has a key to the main store where the other ones are kept.
Okay, so we investigate.
Yeah, he said that the rice is from Katsina. He got the rice from Katsina, and then they are cleaning it so that they'll take it back to Katsina. He's a supplier. They don't mill rice in Katsina. So I think that's information enough for the security to investigate further. And he said that there are other trucks. So he has to tell us where those other trucks are.